The way you don't want me away from you, my brother. This guy, guys. Yes, this is how he waters our relationship. You see this flower? It's tied to us. If it dies, we die, guys. Yo, le nyanga esikuyo i-dangerous. Ukuthi mina naye singahlukani lo baba lo. Basipele iblomo leli. But kumele sinisele, mele ngoba mesinganisana naye siyachuna. Siyachona uthando lwethu mulungaphela lento iyafa. Lento bengafa uthando luyaphela and then maluphela siyafa siyi-2. Angazi wanika inikhanda because he knows the truth. Why ubalekela iqiniso baba? Angithi uyazi ukuthi utheni loya baba loya. This guy. Like, I don't know what to say. Yabona leyo focus ngakhona uyazi ukuthi the amount of water that it needs or kumele inethi imvula because rain is really good for this plant. It makes our love to grow stronger. But if this plant dies, niyazi ukuthi relationship yami nayo iphelile nesiyafa so it like immediately. I'm serious, guys.